Once you have got your Ewon unit connected, just open up eBuddy, and eBuddy will auto detect your Ewon. The IP address 10.0.0.53 is the default. You can change this by clicking Set IP. And just let it reboot. Once it's finished, just remember to put it in the same subnet as your PC. On the Ewon Cosy, you can set up to auto update the firmware in the web browser for the Cosy. Just click on Setup, Firmware Update, and then enable auto updates, and apply. You can also set it up for it to, you can manually install the latest firmware if you would like, but in this case my one's already updated, so there won't be any updates. To configure the Ewon unit, just open the browser. When you configure it the first time, the default password, login and password is ADM. It will also require you to change to a new password. And I'll show you how to configure the Ewon with the wizard. Just set up your time zones where the Cosy will be installed. And make sure you have the right internet provider for your SIM card. Yep, once that's done, you can set up a secondary fallback, but in this case I won't do it. To get the registration activation key, you need to open your eCatcher and create an account in your system and grab the activation key from this. And once you get the thumbs up, your configuration is all done for the Cosy. And you should see all the statuses are green here. In this video, I'll show you how to add and define your LAN devices. So just open up your eCatcher and then select your Ewon device, click on Properties. To add the device, you just click on the Configure LAN Devices and Firewall, and then you add a LAN device. In this case, we're adding a HMI, and we have to give it its IP address. And if the IP address is correct, the E1 will accept it. If not, there will be some issue. And then your the HMI is added. And so the next time you open up Talk to him, you can directly open the device like this. In this video, I'll show you how to go to your HMI via the M2Web. So go to your browser, open up your Talk to him account. And then select your E1 system. And then you should have the HMI network here. Just click on the paper clips here. If you set it all up, your HMI should give you access, depending on what password you put in. And just let it all connect. And now you have direct access to your HMI. In this video, I'll show you how to change your VPN settings for remote access to a Rockwell PLC. So in eCatcher, just click on Settings, open up the Connections and Proxy settings. By default, it will be Auto Detect. And Rockwell PLC generally use UDP for remote access. Just click OK, go back, and then you can log in and then control your PLC through there.